What's up? What's up? I know if you guys have the notification bell on, this one is late. Sorry, I did it after my stream. Again, so this is Don Fron Trading, everything pre-recorded. We're going to go over the expected moves for the stock market this week for the dollar, the Russell, the NASDAQ, and Tesla. The dollar, the Russell, the NASDAQ, the S&P, and Tesla. Not the dollar. Man, I'm not starting over. Anyway, IWM, QQQ, SPY, TSLA. It is Tesla Investor Day coming up on Wednesday, so I already do have that drawn out on the charts. That was on Don Fron's show. We did that one live. We're expecting a $17 move, so I drew out the actual 1 and 2 standard deviations. Tesla is usually a buy the rumor, sell the news event, but it's been a lot of nothing going on. It's a lot of sideways, so I'm very curious to see how that pans out. So let's actually pull this up real quick. Let's grab the expected moves. All right, as far as IWM goes, we are looking at 448. QQQ, we got 723. SPY. All right, we got 764 and TSLA. You're going to see 1703. Bing, bang, boom. Let's chart that out. All right, so Tesla, just so you guys know, again, I did draw out. So if you guys have my charts, if you're part of the Patreon, should be the first link in the description. Tier 1, you guys do get my charts. It also gets the weekly growth account. So, I put $150 a week in there, and I post everything I'm buying in that account. I wanted to get to Tesla. I don't think we're going to have enough. So we'll see. So we took the 150, and then we sold some forward calls, and we had enough to buy. I think we're in Meta. Yeah, we're in Meta right now. We're Meta and TQQQ. So I'm going to take TQQQ was last week's buy, and I was going to mix this week with it, but we'll see. That likely might just be buying the dip this week. So anyway, shout out to you guys. You'll be seeing that later this week. Tomorrow we'll manage TQQQ, and then we'll take this week's money with it to get something. Anyway, so drew two standard deviations out. The only thing I talked about on Don Fron's show is that if it actually does pump up here, I'm going to sell the 235 calls for this week. And if we get a complete meltdown outside the expected move, I'm going to sell the 160 puts for this week. Right now, I bet they're worth absolutely nothing. So if we got that crazy move and they did juice those contracts up, then I'll look to sell them. Before I forget, SPY 764. Let's go to the daily. If you don't hear from me again, also what I have going on tonight is gusts of wind up to 100 miles an hour and tornado warnings. So we'll see. If not, I'll tell the Wicked Witch of the West. She had a house fall on her, right? Who was the good witch? Is that the Witch of the North? Anyway, I'll tell you. Said hey. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, because Dorothy, she made it back to Kansas at the end, right? I'm already in Kansas, so I guess we all start off in Kansas and we land up on the yellow brick road. I'm gonna zone out that yellow brick road. Let them know where they're wrong. All right, QQQ is expecting 723. I'm actually thinking, ooh, man, the bulls really got to show up. That was the whole conversation in tonight's stream on the Don Fron show was bulls do have to show up. That needs to be a high or low. Like the bulls need to follow through or things are not looking, they're not looking good. Hope that's just one giant bull flag. We're going to break this thing to the upside. If not, I'm jumping on that bear train. Looks like that's where all the profits are going to be. All right, IWM was 448. Close enough. All right. We're pricing in a lower low. That sucks. Hopefully we're pricing in a bounce. At that point, another conversation, another talking point I had on Don Fran's show was if you bought the dip over the weekend. I did. I'm bullish over the weekend. There's no excuse why you shouldn't have that stop in the green. Do not let a green trade go red, because the bulls show up Monday. You're going to think, oh yeah, all's good, high or low, rock and rolling. It very well could just be the next lower high. So we kind of have to get out of this phase right here, which a lot of like individual tickers are doing. They're bouncing off some lows, so it made a decent knife catch, but there needs to be follow through. So if there's not, things are looking shaky. The bears will start to gain confidence, and that's how you just get ripped, because it just happens. So be careful. Watch your positions this week. Hopefully the bulls show up and send it, but if they don't, really no reason your long plays go red. So anyway, that's all saved. If you have my charts, there you go. Everyone else, hit the subscribe button, thumbs up. More real estate videos coming out, but also let me know, what other videos do you want? I know it's Don Fran trading, but trading is what I do for my main income. So I do a lot of things. What else do you want to see, learn, or know about? Let me know. I can make a video about it. That's what this channel is actually for. So I'll wrap it up here. I'll see you guys in the next video.